dishwasher session. In this session, I am going to explain about another important classification of Himalayas. So far, we have been learning about the classifications of Himalayas. Apart from that, we have successfully completed two kinds of Himalayas. Here, before going to explain about the another kind of Himalayas, here I would like to say with you one thing. I did a small mistake in the last video. That once change that. What was I did in the last? What was I did? So what I did a mistake in the last video. That will be recorrections. Just a small correction was there in the last video. After the recorrection, I'll explain the last one. What is that? Did you remember or not? Shivalik. What was the last topic? Lesser Himalaya. Lesser Himalaya. That is Lesser Himalaya. Lesser Himalaya. This is also called as Himachal. This is also called as Himachal. It's also called as Himachal. So here, my mistake means I just in overlook I told with you the width and height. What I told with you width and height, that is 10 to 15 kilometers and 900 to 1100 kilometers. Sorry, this is not width and height of Lesser Himalayas. The Lesser Himalayas height. Lesser Himalaya height is, what is the height of Lesser Himalaya? 3,700 meters to 4,500 meters. 4,500 meters. This is recorrection. Just to do recorrection in place of 10 to 50 meters and 900 to 1100 meters. What is the height of the Lesser Himalayas? This is 3,700 to 4,500 meters. 4,500 meters. That is Lesser Himalayas height. What is the Lesser Himalaya height? What is the Lesser Himalaya height? Just recorrection this is. Okay, no? What is the Lesser Himalaya height? 3,700 meters to 4,500 meters. This is the height of Lesser Himalayas. What is the height of Lesser Himalaya? 3,700 meters to 4,500 meters. It is the average height of Lesser Himalayas. Okay. The next will come to this. Today's concept is, what is the next one is, already we have successfully discussed about the two kinds of the Himalayas. One is Himadri, other one is Himachal or Lesser Himalaya. Third one is Shivalik. What is third one is? Shivalik. Shivalik is the third kind of Himalaya. What is the Shivalik? Shivalik is the third kind of Himalayas. Just like Himadri and Himachal. Third one is Shivalik. Now, this Shivalik, the Shivalik is the Shivalik. What is the meaning of Shivalik? Shivalik. What is Shivalik? Third kind of Himalaya. Third kind of Himalaya. It is also called with other name. That is just like the other kinds of Himalayas. What is this? What is the other name of Shivalik? It is Outer Himalaya. Outer Himalaya. What is this? Outer Himalaya. How do we call Himadri? Greater Himalaya. What is the other name of Lesser Himalaya? Himachal. How the remaining two Himalayas has other name, like here Shivalik is also called with other name, that is Outer Himalaya. Outer Himalaya. Outer Himalaya. Next, this Shivalik location. What is the location of Shivalik? Where is the Shivalik in Himalayas? The Shivalik is to the south of Himalayas, to the south of all Himalayas. Where is the Shivalik? To the south of Himalayas. To the south of Himalaya. It is very last. It is very low place on all Himalayas. I will show that particularly this is. You feel this. This is the Greater Himalaya. Greater Himalaya. Greater Himalaya. Below what is there? Lesser Himalaya. Lesser Himalaya. Lesser Himalaya below what is there? That is Shivalik. This is one after another. One below the other one is. The first one is Greater Himalaya or Himadri. Himadri. Himadri south. To the south of Himadri, what is there? This is Lesser Himalayas or Lesser Himalaya. Lesser or Himachal. Lesser Himalaya or Himachal. Himadri or Greater Himalaya. To the south of the Lesser Himalaya, what is there? To the south of, this is the south direction or not? This is the south or not? To this Himalaya, the downwards. How do we call the direction below the Lesser Himalaya? This is south. To the south of Lesser Himalaya, what is there? What is there? Shivalik. Shivalik. Or Outer Himalaya. Outer Himalaya. There is no any other Himalayas after the Shivalik. This is the last one. It is very south part of all Himalayas. It is Greater Himalaya below, Lesser Himalaya below, Shivalik. This is the arrangement of each Himalaya. That is Himadri below, Lesser Himalaya below, Shivalik. This is, if we say in direction, to the south of the Himadri is Lesser Himalaya south is, what is that? Shivalik. Next, this Lesser Himalaya composition. That is the location. Next one is composition. Composition is composition or consist. This Lesser Himalaya consist or composed or formed with, consist or composed with thick gravel. What do you call? Thick gravel and sandstone. Alluvium, thick gravel and alluvium. Thick gravel and alluvium. This is the Lesser Himalaya composed with what? Thick gravel and alluvium. Here we need to remember the composition of remaining two Himalayas. What are that? Himadri composition of snow and ice. Next, Lesser Himalaya. lesser Himalaya composed with or consisted with highly compressed rocks. Highly compressed rocks. Himadri composed with snow and ice. Lesser Himalaya or Himachal composed with what is the material? Compressed rocks. Highly compressed rocks. But Shivalik consists with thick gravel and alluvium. Thick gravel and alluvium. Now the height after the composition of lesser Himalaya or Shivalik, the height and width of lesser Himalaya. The width of lesser Himalaya is 10 meters to 50 meters width. How many meters? 10 to 50 meters width. As you know that, where is the width? I know this is. For example, this is the lesser Himalaya. This is lesser Himalaya. You feel this is lesser Himalaya mountain. Where is the width? Where is the width here? In this is the lesser Himalaya. This is lesser Himalaya. You feel it. Where is the width? Width is the bottom. This is the bottom. This is bottom. It is top. It is top. This is bottom. Width means here the bottom area. The bottom area of Himalaya. The bottom area of mountain is called width. Here how much size of width here? The Shivalik starts the width from 10 meters in area, 10 meters, and it is expands with 50 meters. Expands with 50 meters. The width of Shivaliks are not common, not same, not equal. The Shivaliks width, the size of Shivalik width is not same. In one area, the width is 10 meters. In another area, the width of size is maybe 50 meters. That is, the size and width of Shivaliks are different. This is in one size, in one area, the width of Shivalik is 10 meters. In another area, it will be 15 meters. This is width. Next, the other one is height. What is the height of Shivalik? What is the height of Shivalik? The Shivalik height. The height of Shivalik. The Shivalik mountains height starts from 900 to 1100 meters. 900 to 1100 meters. 900 to 1100 meters. From which height the Shivalik starts? 900 meters to 1100 meters. This is the height of Shivalik. For example, if the height of, what is the height? This is the, how we should see the height? This is the mountain. How we should calculate the mountain height? This is the height. How much height it starts from? The Shivalik's height starts from, this is the top. This top is height from bottom to top. How much this is? It starts from 900 meters. 900 meters. Some mountains in Shivalik. On the other hand, there is another height mountains also there in Shivalik. The height is, what is the height? This is the height 1100 meters. So finally, what you should understand, every student understand the height and width of Shivalik is different from region to region. The width is, if the width is in one area 10 meters, in another area the width is to be 50 meters. The same time height is also different. In one area, it is to be a 900 meters. In another area, the height is to be 1100 meters. So, here the student must be understand the symbolic heights and widths are different. On whole, what we understood the total Himalayas heights and widths are different. Is right or not? What you understood? The total Himalayas, whether the Himalaya, Himadri, or Lesser Himalaya, or Shivalik, whatever the Himalaya kind we will take as example, that height of Himalayas are different. How would you say? Example, Himadri height is what? 6,100 meters average. Shivalik, Lesser Himalaya, average height 3,700 to 4,500 meters. The other one is Shivalik. The Shivalik height starts from 900 to 1100 meters. This is the table to easily recognize the variations of height. Based on this table, what we should understand? You should understand the height of Himalayas are different. If one mountain be 6,100 meters above, the other mountains are 3,700 to 4,500. The other one is 900 to 1100 meters. This is the on-whole. The entire Himalayas heights are different. Is right or not? Are you accepting? Finally, what we should know or what we understand here, the classification of Himalayas are divided based on their heights. What is that? Himadri above the 6,100. That's what it is to be called greater. Below that, Lesser Himalaya 3,700 to 4,000. Next one, Shivalik 900 to 1100 meters. Next, the another importance of Shivaliks. These Shivaliks called with different names. How does Himadri or Lesser Himalayas has different names in different region? Like Shivaliks are also called with different names. What are the other names of Shivalik? Other names of Shivalik. Region and name. Here we should form one table to easily recognize that other names of Shivaliks. In region, J and K, Jammu and Kashmir. The first one is Jammu and Kashmir. It is to be called as Jammu Hills. How? Jammu Hills. How do they call? Jammu Hills. Here we need to recall how do we call Shivalik, Lesser Himalayas in Jammu and Kashmir. Pirpanjal range. That is the clarity. Here, every student needed clarity about the name of Himachal or Lesser Himalaya in Jammu Kashmir state. In Jammu Kashmir, how the Lesser Himalayas are called? How do the Lesser Himalayas are called? Lesser Himalayas are called in Jammu and Kashmir Pirpanjal range, but Shivalik is called Jammu Hills. Do you understand, madam? In Jammu and Kashmir, Lesser Himalayas called as Pirpanjal. The same state Jammu and Kashmir, Shivalik is called as Jammu Hills. Jammu Hills. Jammu Hills. Next, Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh. In Arunachal Pradesh, how do the Shivaliks are called? The Shivaliks are called as Mismi Hills. Arunachal Pradesh, Mismi Hills. Mismi Hills. In Arunachal Pradesh, Mismi Hills. Mismi Hills. In Arunachal Pradesh, how do they call? They called as Mismi Hills. The next one is Assam. In Assam, how do they call? In Assam state, the Shivalik is called as in Assam. Assam state, Cha Hills. Cha Hills. Cha Hills. This is Jammu and Kashmir. The Shivalik is called as Jammu Hills. Arunachal Pradesh, Mismi Hills. Assam, Chachar Hills. I will repeat once again the other names of Shivaliks in different states. Region meaning state. In Jammu and Kashmir, what is the other name of Shivalik? Or in Jammu and Kashmir, how do the Shivaliks called? The Shivaliks called as Jammu Hills. Where? In Jammu and Kashmir state. In Jammu and Kashmir state, the hills are called Jammu Hills. Arunachal Pradesh, they called as Mismi Hills. Assam, Cha Hills. These are the other names of Shivaliks. Now, there is another important feature we can find in Shivalik. What is the other importance? What is the other importance of Shivalik? This Shivalik, another importance, that is dunes. Dunes are present in Shivalik. This is the important feature. This is one of the important relief feature which we can find in Shivaliks. What is that dune? What is that dune? Actually, what is the meaning of dune? What is the dune? Actually, dunes are valleys. Dunes are valleys. Dunes are kinds of valleys. Where the dunes are present between Lesser Himalayas and Shivalik valleys. The dunes are located between where? Lesser Himalayas and Shivaliks. These are valleys. What are the dunes? Dunes are valleys. These are present between Lesser Himalayas and Shivaliks. Lesser Himalayas and Shivalik. This is, you feel that this is the Lesser Himalaya. Below here, what is there? This is Shivalik. This is Shivalik. In between them, there is a gap. There is a gap. The gaps called as dunes. These are dunes. Dunes simply called a narrow land flat bottom area between the two mountains. What is the simple word? A narrow, long, flat bottom area, which is formed as naturally by two mountainous areas. Have you ever observed any two mountainous areas? Then there will be a small gap is there. I show that this is one mountain. The other mountain is here. This is mountain, the other mountain. Here in middle, this is the middle. The middle gap is there, no? How look like to see this is the gap? How much the size of gap? Very narrow size, very small size, very small size of gap formed by two mountains. The gap between the two mountainous areas. Simply, dunes are a gap between the two mountainous areas. How it is to see? It is to be seen as a valley. That valley, a long, narrow, flat bottom area. Long, narrow, flat bottom area. It is a way. The two mountains are creating one way. The way is very narrowest way. So such narrowest ways were used initially to come to India to go to the other countries in the 15th and 16th century, particularly Arabian countries and West European countries. And European countries came through the dunes in initial time, Mughals and Mauryaans. West Asian countries kings came to India at that time by using these dunes. Simply, dunes are, what are the dunes? This is the dunes. Dunes are valleys. Dunes are located between Lesser Himalayas and Sivalis. So these dunes, how they are? The dunes are narrow, long, flat bottom area between two mountains. I will show this is the one mountain. This is one mountain. There is another mountain. Let's say this is one mountain. The other mountain is this is the gap. How is this gap between broader and narrower? Broader and narrower, very narrow. This is the dunes. This area was used by kings, particularly West Asian kings, used this way to enter into India. This is the dunes. Examples. Dunes are narrow, long, flat bottom area between the two mountainous area. Where we find that between the Lesser Himalayas and Sivalis. The gap between the two mountainous areas. Here example. What are the example? Dehradun. Examples for Dehradun, Dehradun, and partly June, quarterly June. These are the examples for Junes. These are examples for Junes. What are the examples for Junes? Dehradun, partly June, quarterly June. Okay, Amma. Have a nice day. This class is over. We will meet again with another concept in another video.